Thank you very much, BW Hotelier and Mr. Bhuvanesh Khanna. I call you Bade Bhai. So, thank you for this opportunity wherein the hospitality industry, and especially the procurement section, has got this importance that immediately after the CEOs and the owners, it's the procurement professionals who are in line and talking to the world. So, my heartiest welcome to the colleagues who are sitting here, who are from the different organizations. So you talked about some of the largest. I'm saying these are the only hotels who are there in India, and all of them are being represented today. I'm thankful to everyone who's here. My dear friend Karni, my mentor Dr. Goyal, my dear friend Usuf, my ex-boss Clyde. So all of them are there who have been the larger perspective, and these are the people who have defined procurement in the hospitality industry. The newest friends, Sai Shankar and Mr. Gupta, have been there in line, and Major Avul Sethi Saab also. I know him for last 2 years. So the objective of today's session is to understand what has happened in last few months and what's going to happen in next few months, and how can we prepare the industry in the procurement perspective. How important it is to have a very strong backbone, and I consider hospitality procurement as the backbone of the industry. So, when I start, I have to tell you that it's a very fluid and dynamic world that has hardly parallels for even the best expert to suggest a way out of. Human being, top of creations, the onus is upon us to come out of this jam with a classic and lasting paradigm in the new normal, which is here to stay for a foreseeable future. So today, all of us would want to find out what these experts have, uh, which will help all of us to come out of the situation in some manner. Pandemic has hit us. It has hit us so badly that most of our organizations are closed down. Last night, I was talking to a colleague of mine from Calcutta, and he was a little upset that the dogs are going. But then I told him that just wait for some time. Jobs, yes, because as there is no revenue, obviously organizations would work in a different manner. They will start behaving more now than wait for anything else. So what we would do today is these experts who are sitting here, I'm going to be asking certain questions. We will build up those questions, understand the situation in hand, try to find immediate solutions, and then also we will try to find out solutions which will help the industry to find solutions for a for the larger period. Nobody knows. Nobody is a guru and nobody is a pandit or jyotishi to understand till when this COVID-19 is going to be hitting us. Nobody knows when are we going to be coming out of it. And but then we will try to work backwards, and we will also try to find some solutions which will help us to be more proactive and more prepared and ready for the problems which will be coming in soon. So, may I request Mr. Bharanidharan Ramaswamy? We fondly call Mr. Bharanidharan Ramaswamy as Bharani. I have worked under Mr. Bharanidharan a few years ago, and I have immense respect for his modesty, his simplicity, and the way he carries himself. Everybody loves him, whether it's the team members of Marriott Hotels or whether the supplier partners. So our supplier partners are going to be very important, and hence we have got some guest speakers